I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Hey everybody, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Hope you all are doing awesome today on this blessed day. Yes, ma'am. Guys, today we are making some barbecue chicken quarters. I feel like grilling today, so I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and do a little video for you guys with this as well. So, of course, you're going to need some chicken. I'm doing chicken quarters. Whatever part of the chicken you want to use is totally up to you. You know what I'm saying? This recipe will work with anything, chicken, pork, whatever you want, especially pork. This still will work. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into what I'm doing. I have my chicken marinating in a bag, and I had it marinating for about 2 hours in the refrigerator, and I will actually put down in the description box what I marinated it in, but I will also give you guys a quick, rundown of what I marinated it in as well. So what I did was, this is a 12 ounce of this chicken marinade, and it's Stubbs brand. Now you can use whatever marinade you want to use. That's totally up to you, but this one has a nice little flavor. And into this, I used the entire bottle, and I also added 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and I mixed everything in a bowl, and I divided it into the bags with my chicken. I put half in one bag, half in the other bag, and I have about 7 chicken quarters here in this bag. You guys, I hate cleaning chicken. Boy, I ain't playing with y'all. Oh, don't like cleaning chicken. Took me about an hour to clean all this chicken. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to turn on my eye so I can get this going. I'm gonna pour the chicken and the marinade into a pot, and I'm gonna let that boil for about 3 to 5 minutes inside of the marinade. So I'm gonna bring you guys back in a minute when I get that going. Okay guys, so I have about 3 pieces of chicken in here in the marinade that we marinated it in the refrigerator, because I can't fit them all in here, and it's not like, the marinade is not going to cover everything. But I'm going to just flip these around, and I'm going to just do this for like about 3 minutes with each piece. You don't want it on a roaring broil, just slightly broiling a little bit. So I'm going to flip these over, and I'm going to continue doing that with all the other ones as well, and then I'll bring you guys back, and then we're going to go ahead. Okay guys, so welcome back. So I'm about to take these last 2 pieces off. I'm going to turn off my eye. I'm going to take these last 2 pieces off, and then we're going to move over to mixing up the seasoning. So whatever is remaining in this pot, once you take out your chicken, just disregard that. We're not even going to use that for anything else, all right? So I'll meet you guys back over when we get ready to mix the seasoning rub up. Okay guys, so we're back. So we're going to go ahead and mix up our seasoning rub that we're going to sprinkle on this chicken. So in this bowl though, I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and I also have like about a half of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And so I'm gonna use this rub again because it's really good, but I think you can still add to it because it's not salty or anything. So I'm gonna use that, but I did want to add some more seasonings in with it. So I'm gonna start out with like 1/3 of a cup of this. So I'm gonna put this in this bowl. Just gonna mix this up together. Because I like the rub, you guys. It actually has a pretty good flavor. It's just not spicy. And I think next time I will order the spicy one, because I like a little spice. This is more of like a little sweet rub. I can definitely tell there's some probably brown sugar, probably granulated white sugar. I'm sure there's something in there that's really sweet, but it's actually still really good though. Now we're just gonna go ahead and season the chicken. Now the chicken is still actually raw, so you still want to handle it as if it was raw chicken that you were dealing with. So I have a bowl right here with some peanut oil in it, and I'm just gonna brush some on the chicken. So you just want to coat your chicken with your oil. Now you can use vegetable oil, canola oil. I'm not gonna really say olive oil just because you know, that olive oil burns too. Doesn't have really a high smoke point. Then I'm just going to go in with the seasoning blend. Just going to sprinkle some on the chicken. And I have my grill already going out there. I'm gonna add some hickory wood out there. But yep, boil your chicken a little bit just before you're grilling it. It's gonna help seal in some of that moisture in there and that flavor from that marinade that I use to marinate the chicken in as well. My big brother, he's like the best chicken cooker ever. Shout out to you, big bro. I love you, man. You make the best chicken in the world to me. Like, can't nobody top his barbecue chicken? No. His chicken will make you slap yourself. So now I'm going to just turn this over, do the same thing to the other side. And you want to get this rub all over your chicken. Wherever you want it at, just put it all on it. Just make sure you put some oil on there to help it stick as well. Okay guys, so I went ahead and seasoned all of my chicken on both sides with that seasoning rubbed. I actually made some more just in case I want to sprinkle some more on, you know, once it's on the grill. I'm not really sure though, but I still love the seasoning. But anyways, I got my grill going and I'm going to get ready to put these on out there and I'll bring you guys out in a minute. Okay guys, so I have my chicken on the grill right now and I have it on indirect heat. Have some hickory wood over on the other side and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to come back in about an hour and come and check it, and we're going to actually make some we're going to make a rub, not a rub, a mop, I'm sorry, a mop to go on top of it. So I'll be bringing you guys back in a minute. Okay guys, so now we're going to mix up a little barbecue mop. Basically, that's what I'm going to call it. A barbecue mop. We're going to mix up something so we can keep our chicken moist while it's on the grill. So what I'm starting out with is, because I'm going to try and do this measuring thing for you guys. Normally I eyeball everything, eyeball it. So I'm going to start out with 1 cup of hot water, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more. So I'm going to say 2 cups. And I also have some Italian dressing. I'm going to add about 1 cup of Italian dressing in here as well. Now this is just going to help us keep our meat moist while it's on the grill. So, and whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like, you can just add that as well. I'm going to try to measure this. But what I'm going to use again is by Stubbs, and this is spicy. I like this barbecue sauce. It has a nice little kick to it. It's not too hot, but something to hit you, you know, in the back of the throat slightly. So I'm going to just try and see if I can eyeball this as well. Just try like 1/2 cup and see where I am. Mix this up. Yeah, so that's looking about good. Then I'm also going to add some of that rub that I used. I'm going to add a little bit of that in there as well. Let me try and measure this real quick. Probably about 1/4 of a cup of that barbecue rub. And I'm going to go out probably in about 1/2 hour. And I'm just going to get my little mop. Or if you don't have a little barbecue mop, then just use a barbecue brush or a spray bottle. You can probably put this in a spray bottle as well. It's going to do the same thing. So I'll bring you guys back when I head on out there. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and I put my barbecue mop on top, and it's been about 1/2 hour now. No, about 40 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna let these continue to go a little bit longer, probably like another 1/2 hour, and then I'm gonna flip them over and I'm gonna put the mop on them again. So in between though, like every 15 minutes from now, I'm just gonna go back in and put my barbecue mop on there that's in this bowl. Can you see it? Yeah. Alright, I'll bring you guys back. They smell so good. Look at how pretty they look, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Those look so good. Slap yourself. Yes, ma'am. Slap yourself right now. Hey everybody, what's going on? We're back, and I just went ahead and flipped those leg quarters over on the grill, and I also put some more of that mop barbecue on them. So it's been about an hour and about 15 minutes now. So in between, I just been going in like maybe every 15-20 minutes, just doing the mop, mopping it with the mop. I don't have my camera guy here. Let me see if I can show you guys what I've been doing. Get this out. So I've been just going over, just mopping them with my barbecue mop. And just basically putting some of that mixture, that barbecue sauce that we mixed up. Just going over it, like so. So I'm going to leave these on here for another half an hour. I'm going to come back and check them, and then I'm going to flip them over again. Probably mop them one more time and check my temperature, because you want to make sure these are at least in the fattest part. You want to make sure it's about at least like 175 in the fattest part of that meat before you even attempt to try and eat it. All right. Be back, guys. Okay guys, so welcome back. So I went ahead and took those chicken quarters off the grill. Had them on there for about 2 hours. I'll say about 2 hours, because I had other stuff that I was doing. So I just kept going out there, mopping them with the barbecue sauce that we mixed up earlier. About every 15 to 20 minutes, flipping sides, and this is what they are like now. And I took them off. They smell so freaking good. I know that. That's like that slap yourself kind of chicken. That's what it is. But as always, guys, I hope you all stay forever blessed, y'all. It's just tea. I am out. Look at that. OMG. Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so freaking good. Yes, ma'am. That look good. It really does. I'm out, y'all.